Hello viewers, yes, this is Ranjana ma'am and you are watching mine as well as your channel. I know you all have already seen in the thumbnail what I have come with. Yeah, ISC, probable questions. Probable, not the questions which will definitely come. The questions which I feel or the chapters which I feel are important. It might match with the examiners, it may not match with the examiners. If I had been the examiner, I would have gone for all these. Anyway, if you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, please do, and don't forget to press the like button if you have liked this video. So, what are we wasting our time for? Let's start. Hello viewers, welcome back, and first I will start with prose. Which are the chapters which are very probable for y'all in 2021? So let's start. According to me, I feel Frids, the story written by Satyajit Ray, Frids, that is one of the most important chapters for you in 2021. The next one, in my opinion, is The Quality by John Galsworthy. So, Quality is another important chapter, quite probable or rather highly probable. Fried's Quality. The next one, in my opinion, is The Chinese Statue by Jeffrey Archer. Yes, Chinese Statue by Jeffrey Archer. And the fourth one, which I consider is very important, A Gorilla in the Guest Room. A Gorilla in the Guest Room. So these four, in my opinion, are very probable. I wouldn't say all three might come from here, but at least two should come. At least two stories should come from here, and two more I would suggest you prepare two more. So they are the singing lessons, and another one is, one minute, singing lesson and the story of an hour. The singing lesson and the story of an hour, especially story of an hour, I say why, because in many pre-boards, and I wouldn't say many pre-boards, in many schools, in their pre-board exam, I have found that the story of an hour has come. So, in my opinion, the story of an hour and the singing lesson, these two also should not be overlooked. You all might say, ma'am, they came in 2019. So what? Since yours is a reduced syllabus, you don't have two chapters, B. Wordsworth and one of them, To Build a Fire, has already been cut from the syllabus. So you have only 8 chapters. So it is quite natural that they might want to repeat something which has already come in 2019. So don't be under the impression that nothing will be repeated and from these 4 only you will get all. No. So it might happen that you might get 2 from the 4 chapters which are very important, and 1 might come from the 2 I have mentioned. So in order to stay in the safe side, my suggestion is, give your most importance, your whole dedication to Fried's Quality, A Gorilla in the Guest Room and the Chinese Statue. These 4, if you want to attempt 2 questions, then you can go for these. But if you want a wider option, then please study the story of an hour and the singing lesson. One is sure to come, if not sure, but 80% chances of its coming. I didn't say 100%. So please don't take any risk. Remain in the safe side, because if you have all the questions or if you have all the chapters which you have studied, if they all come, then you are at you get a greater choice. You have studied the 6 stories and all the 3 which come, they are from here, or you have studied 4 and all the 3 come from here. So You may attempt all the 3, you may attempt 2, but you have the option to leave 1. Then you have a greater range of choice. Why do I say this? Because the chapters, suppose you have studied 4 chapters and from there 2 questions come. You want to attempt both of them, but one of them the questions might be difficult. Though you have studied it, you don't know how to handle that critical question. Then if you study a little more, you will get a wider range of option. That is what I try to suggest. Don't be very selective in your studies. Study a little more. So don't think I'll study 3 chapters and ma'am has said so, all these 3 will come, and after that when it doesn't come, then go and abuse ma'am. No, don't do that. I always tell you to remain in the safe side. When I give you these chapters, study all of them. From this also don't cut short some of them. Okay, so the first 4 which I mentioned, they are the most important, and 2 more please add to it if you want to attempt 2 from prose. If you want to attempt 1 from prose, no problem. Then study only these 4 chapters and you are sure to get 1 chapter. And it is done. Some of you might be wanting to attempt 2 from poems, 1 from prose, so already 3 gone. 1 is your reference to context, which is compulsory. And oh yes, this year too you all have one project also, so your paper will be 80 marks. So in that case though, yes, you have a greater choice. So you are supposed to answer 4, I think, and you get 1. Instead of 5 questions of 20 marks, I think you all are getting 4 questions to attempt, and 1 is the project, whatever it is. You will always prepare a little more than is needed. It is always helpful, because when you get critical questions you feel you can't handle, then you always have a wider range of choice. So again I say, Fritz, quality, the Chinese statue and a gorilla in the guest room, don't select among these also. Okay, we'll do 2 and we won't do, or we'll do 3, are 2 to will come. No, nothing like that. Study all these 4 very well. And at the same time, if you want to leave 1 from here, then at least study 2 from, at least study these 2, the story of an hour and the singing lesson. Why? Because in quite a few school, I told you, either this one or that one has come, especially the story of an hour, and it's a short story. What's the harm in studying it? Okay, now for your prose. And one thing, remember, while preparing your long answers, I'm sure you haven't forgotten the quotation part. At least 5 quotations. Your answer won't be considered well if you have not given the quotations. Quotations are mandatory, they are a must. Okay, now for the poems. In your poems, the dolphins, Carol and Duffy, the dolphins, very, very important. Side by Side is the Gift of India by our own Sarojini Naidu, very, very important, and Desiderata. These 3. And now don't think only these 3 will come. They may come, they may not come. These 3, from here at least 2 should come. But then don't study only 2. The one which they prefer not to give, and it might happen that the one which you have not studied, they have not given that one only, and the one which you have studied, they have not given, and which you have not studied, they have given. So in that case you are in trouble. So study these 3. Don't start making choices here. Study these 3, and at the same time, from the darkling thrush, crossing the bar, and the spider and the fly, these 3 are also very important. I again tell you, since your syllabus is a reduced one, don't take chances. If you want to attempt 2 from poems or all the 3 from poems, please, please, please. The 3 which I mentioned, highly probable, the dolphins, the Gift of India, and the Desiderata. Highly probable. I hope you understand the meaning of probable. Probability. There is a difference between something which is sure, certain, and probability. Probability means it may happen, it may not happen. So very highly probable means more chances of coming, but not definite. I always say I am not the paper setter. So in that case, the darkling thrush, the spider and the fly and crossing the bar, you can prepare at least 2 from these. So 3 and 2, 5, prepare them. So which are the 3? The dolphins, gift of India. Why I am telling you to prepare a little more? Because the question of that chapter which you have prepared might be a bit critical, and in that case you have again some more options. If you know all the 3 questions which have come and you are going to attempt 2, you will attempt those 2 which you find is easy to handle. But suppose you think I'll attempt only 1 question from this one, and you study only 1 chapter, and that question is a difficult one, then it will be a bit difficult for you to write your answer. Framing it there and the examination hall and writing is really a tough job. So my suggestion is always prepare a little more than is needed. Why? Because you get better options. You don't have to attempt a question only because you haven't studied something else and the question is critical. You have studied that chapter, but the question is critical. Why? Because I feel that attempting a question which you feel is critical, attempting it in the examination hall when you are a bit tense, it's really a difficult job. So please study a little more. It won't harm you. You've been doing these for the last 2 years. I mean in 11 and in 12 in your offline, if you didn't have your offline classes, in your online classes you've been doing it. So you still have time. Please prepare. Which are the ones? Darkling thrush, spider and the fly and crossing the bar. From this your choice, do any 2. And these 3 you have to do it. The dolphins, gift of India and desiderata. Don't take any chances with them. Okay? So the prose and poems gone, and now comes your Tempest. In Tempest, Act 5 is very important. It has not come even once. Yeah, so as I was saying, in the Tempest, Act 5 is very important. Along with it, Act 2 and Act 3, of course, very, very important. See, in long questions, characterization, one question comes related to the characters. So in 2019, the character of Miranda had come. In 2020, the negative character Caliban had come. So another important character which is left, of course, who else but Prospero? Rather, the most important character in the Tempest has not come even once. So that is the probability. In character, Prospero can come, the minor characters can come, or Antonio, Sebastian can come. Antonio and Sebastian, the negative characters. So I would go for Prospero because Prospero is very important. He is rather the sun around which all the other characters revolve like the planets. So Prospero, please prepare a character sketch of Prospero. And the supernatural or the mask scene has come last year, and the previous year also Act 1 Scene 2 had come in 2019. So in that case, the banquet scene, you all can prepare the banquet scene well. I'm not saying it will come, but there are chances, there is a possibility. The banquet scene where the supernatural characters, they come with food and then they disappear. The harpy scene, the banquet scene, the same one, whereas when Ariel comes as a harpy and reprimands these characters for what they have done to Prospero. So that scene is very important, and always Act 1 scene 2, which is the lengthiest scene, is always important because it has more or less everything in it. It has 5 parts. When I gave my lecture regarding Act 1 scene 2, I had told you that in Act 1 scene 2 you have 4 to 5 parts rather. First it is Prospero and Miranda, then it is Prospero and Ariel, it is Prospero and Caliban, then Ferdinand and Ariel, and finally Ferdinand, Miranda and Prospero. So there are quite a few divisions in this scene. So it is the most important scene, irrelevant of whether it has come the previous year or the year before it also. It has come in 2019, it has come in 2020, and yet it might again come in 2021 also as a reference to context. If not as a lengthy answer, it might come as a reference to context. It is always very, very welcome. Not only that, what else? Act 2 scene 1 and Act 4 scene 1, they have always come. So in this year, what about Act 3? So since Act 3 and Act 5 have not come even once, so please prepare Act 3 and Act 5. At the same time, as I always suggest in class 10 also, Tempest is not to be trifled with. Right from the beginning till the end, because reference to context is something which can come from anywhere. As you all had in your Merchant of Venice, everything is important right from the beginning, because you don't know from where you are getting your reference to context. So you have to study everything. Yet for your lengthy answers, you all can always prepare Act 3 scene 3, do it very well, because as I earlier said also, the banquet scene and the harpy, so they are quite probable. So for your lengthy answers, Act 2, Act 3 and Act 5. So while preparing for your Tempest, I would like to give you one suggestion, that prepare one character, go for one character. So in that case there is Prospero, and you might be given a comparison between Gonzalo and Sebastian and Antonio combined. So Gonzalo is very loyal to Alonso, whereas this Sebastian, the own brother, and the Duke of Milan's brother Antonio, or the present Duke of Milan, they are the two negative characters. So you can be given something to compare and contrast Sebastian and Gonzalo, or Sebastian and Gonzalo and Antonio. So you might get something like this. So whichever it is, you prepare the characters very well. Miranda has come once, Caliban has come, but there is Ferdinand, there is Prospero, Alonso, Sebastian, Antonio. So prepare the characters very well. If you get one character which you have prepared, your half the work is done. And as I told you, for the other lengthy ones, there are chances of Act 2, Act 3 and Act 5 coming, because they have not come even once. And Act 1 and Act 4, they are the most important, they have always come. So rather this time, we don't know, but Act 2, Act 3 and 5, since they have not come, there is a probability of its coming. So more or less I have discussed all the three, the prose, the poems and Tempest. The Tempest is difficult because I told you, you generally should not leave it. I mean, since reference to context is compulsory, you have to study from A to Z in Tempest. You can't trifle with it. Like in prose, yes, if you want, you can leave something. In poems, if you want, you can leave something. But since reference to context, question number 1 is compulsory, please don't take any risk. Rather devote more to some particular scenes, like I said, the characters, prepare it, or Act 3, especially Act 3 scene 3, give more importance to it regarding the banquet scene or the harpy scene. But in Tempest, because of your reference to context, you have to study everything. At the same time, study everything, but focus a little more on Act 2, Act 3 and Act 5. So these are the probables of your ISC 2021 according to me, and I said I am not the paper setter, but according to me, since you all have been requesting me for quite some time, I come up with it, and let's hope that they match with the examiners. If not, but I think at least you will be able to sail through if you pay heed to what I have said. Don't be too selective, because then you are at risk. Class 12 board is not something to be taken lightly and not to be so best of luck for your exams. And remember, I told you about quotations while preparing your answers. Don't forget the quotations. In another video I will be pointing out some important quotations to you from the 3 books, the prose, your poems, and the Tempest, of course, so that you are able to frame your answers well. So bye for the time being, and as I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the like button. Best of luck in your 2021 board exams.